Mastercraft. Job done. Some people use the wrong tools or modify existing ones to get a relatively simple job done. We're going to show you that there are tools available for just about every job, be it in your garage or workshop, keeping your tools in good nick and ready for when you need them. For example, do you have a job loosening or tightening nuts or bolts that are in really hard to reach places, like the spark plug? The tool to get the job done is a Mastercraft half-inch extension bar. Fit the plug socket to the extension bar and sliding T-handle. With a long extension bar, access to the spark plug is easily gained. Using the sliding T-handle, apply the correct leverage to loosen, then simply spin the T-handle to remove. Spin the T-handle to tighten, and then slide the handle out to give the final securing turn to the spark plug. Always clean and store your tools in the proper case or toolbox. Check out the full range of top-class Mastercraft tools next time you want a job done. Downtime can be costly, which is why Mastercraft is proud to boast a no-nonsense swap-out lifetime guarantee. For more information on these and other tools to get the job done, log on to mastercrafttools.co.za or call 0861 MC Info. Mastercraft tools are exclusively available at Builders Express, Builders Warehouse and Macro stores nationwide. Mastercraft. Job done.